Welcome. So in this video, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to create a Zoom account. So first, open your browser and then type zoom.us on the search bar and then click enter. And then here, as you can see on the upper right side of your screen, there's a button or text that says sign up free. You want to click on that. And then here, you need to put your email address. And then you need to check your Gmail and you should receive code for this. Okay, so for mine, it's 8/3/10/29. And Zoom will only give you 10 minutes. And then click verify. And then here you need to fill out this form. Your first name, your last name, and then your password. So it have at least 8 characters, have at least 1 letter, have at least 1 number, include both uppercase and lowercase characters. Password must not contain 4 consecutive characters, for example 1111, 12345, ABCDE, or QWERT. And also Google will suggest a strong password, so you can choose this or create your own password. And then here, so for educators, check here if you are signing up on behalf of a school or other organization that provides educational services to children under the age of 18. So if you're an educator, you can click this small little box, and then after that click continue, and then just wait. And then there you have it. This is your account on Zoom. I hope this video helps, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.